So the question is, water is filled up to height h in a beaker of radius r as shown in the figure. The density of water is rho, the surface tension of water is T, and the atmospheric pressure is P naught. Consider a vertical section A, B, C, D of the water column through a diameter of the beaker. The force on the water on one side of this section by water on the other side of this section has a magnitude. So, what we all know, that the pressure at let's assume this this depth as x. So, at this point, what will be the pressure? Pressure at depth x below the surface equals to P naught, the atmospheric pressure, plus rho g, what is the height? X. This is 1. So, what will be the force on rectangular strip at depth x, this strip? So what we will do, we will integrate this whole from AB to CD. So this will be equal to P naught plus rho gx, that is the pressure at depth, into 2r dx, because one strip will be equal to length 2r, 2 times of radius. So the total force due to pressure difference equals to integration 0 to h P naught plus rho gx 2r dx. This will be equal to r rho g h square plus 2 P naught r h. And the attractive force due to surface tension acting along the edge AB, along this edge, due to surface tension on edge AB equals to surface tension into 2r, that will be equal to 2RT. So the final answer will be, net force will be 2 P naught RH plus R rho GH square minus 2RT, because the surface tension force will be in different direction than this pressure force. So the answer is, what's the answer? B.